Hi, Susan. My name's Nicole Holzel. I'm the owner and decorator for the Devil's Food Company. I custom decorate cupcakes including carrot, vanilla, confetti, and our signature, the Devil's Food Cake. I currently work out of my home, but would eventually like to move into a storefront operation. I'm currently serving the local market, but would in the next 5 to 7 years like to have a couple of stores in the metropolitan area. The local market purchases from me because I provide homemade fresh cakes for about the same price as you can get in a grocery store with more variety. Did you know that about 45% of all baked goods in a grocery store are either given away to their employees or donated to a local food bank because they're not purchased in-house? So why would you want to get a cupcake that's been sitting on the shelf for 5 days when you have fresh made cupcakes that just melt in your mouth for the same price? Speaking of price, it only costs 21 cents to make one of my cupcakes that I sell for $1.25, which is almost a 600% markup. When I advertise on social media, within 2 hours, I'd request for 12 dozen cupcakes for delivery the next day. Let me know when your next board meeting will be, and I'd be happy to bring you in a free dozen.